Here is another update on the master bedroom and bathroom for episode number 5. We have made huge progress from the last episode. The last episode, this is a little blurry, I'll show you in a second. Last episode, we were waiting to get our stone installed, and now I'm happy to report that the stone got installed. We've got the vanity basically done. We've got our tile in. We have the glass doors for the shower put up, and I finally got around to doing the shelves in the master closet as well. So we have a few tiny little things to finish, which I'll show you, but for the most part, we are done and it feels good. I'd say we're 98% of the way there, but we are so close. So let me show you around. We went wide angle here so I can show you exactly what we've been doing. We've got the stone put in place. We've got this middle cabinet put in, the stone here. We've got the stone on this side of this vanity. I think it came out absolutely awesome. Now let's take a look at the shower. And today, we actually got these glass doors put in. Now I know it's a little unusual. Oh, don't look at that blue tape. I know it is a little unusual to have these glass doors on this shower like this. We didn't want a shower curtain and we didn't want the sliding doors, so we talked to the glass people and this is kind of what we came up with. There's Rue Baby. Yes, so we've got our stone tub deck in here, and we also matched the sill and the niche right there as well. Then we had that installed, then we put our tile in here and grouted everything. That took us a little while. We also used a Schluter product. So you see this like metal, I don't even know what you actually call this trim piece. But that came out way better than I was anticipating. We were able to miter the corners, and I was nervous. There was no way we were gonna get those corners to match up, but I think they came out awesome. We also used it, and this has to be cleaned up, but we used it on the edge of the tile here, and I really like the way that came out. I still have to put the sill in, and there's a film that we're gonna put over that window so you can't just see in. We've got our shower working now. I really like, so we're using a Renovation, I believe is how you say the name of the product, and I wanted one valve, essentially, I don't even know what you call this, but one piece to be able to control the temperature as well as one of the 3 places for the water to come out of. And the only place I could find this was Renovation. So if you look here, I can control my temperature with this front knob. Hopefully you can see this. And then I can control the flow with this one here. So there is a 1, this is dirty now, but there's a 1 here, a 2 up here, and a 3 down here. So if you look and I go to 1, let's see here, let's try to get it all in frame. So you can see there's 1 there, and then set, the temperature spins around with it. Let me turn it off so you can hear me. The temperature stays in line with this valve right here. So when it's straight up and down, it's about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is real nice, but you just spin it around. So we'll go back to the tub, and then if I go to 2, it'll start coming out of the top here. That's 2. And then if I go to 3 here, keep pushing this over, we'll switch over to the rain shower. Go ahead and turn it off. Now, one other thing that I will mention, and I said this in another video as well, I actually did a whole video about this, but when I turn, let's see, so this switch right here is a smart switch, and it controls the light to the shower. And so when I turn that light on, it runs our circulation pump for the hot water for 1 minute. So that water was instantly hot when it came out, which is really nice. So if you're interested in that video, go ahead and check that out wherever that card comes up. But this is it on the bathroom. We are so close. We are gonna put a crown up. I've got some of the base down there have just really minor things to do. I'm gonna do crown around the this top cabinet as well. And I still need to put these shelves in this cabinet. So I gotta drill some holes, put that in. We'll be good to go there. Also, I got these Blum soft close drawers, and I absolutely love them. They're awesome. So let me show you the master bedroom. And it's kind of a mess because we've been working, but we're all moved in. We got the wall finished. Still need to pick a fan. This one's gonna be returned, but we're mostly moved back in here. And now let me show you the closet. So this was the last major thing that I wanted to get finished. And you can see here, if you've kept up with me on Instagram or on YouTube, plug for that, so you can follow me there. You've seen time lapses of me building these cabinets. Still have to install the base, but it took about a weekend for me to do these built-ins. So the shelves are movable. I used a Craig jig to put these holes in, so you can move these pins to adjust all the shelves. So likely we'll have shoes down here. This was, I don't remember if it was my wife's idea, my idea, or we kind of came on it together. But this is a seat, so you actually sit here, so you can like put your shoes on in the closet here. More movable shelves. Storage all the way around here. And then we will have a bar that goes across for like full length hanging across the back. And then let me move this ladder out of the way. What you see, Rue? And then on this right side, this will be double hanging. So there will be a bar up here and a bar down here as well to hang stuff. And the last bit was getting this stuff painted. So we went on vacation, and I actually had someone paint this for me because we are coming down to the wire on having our baby, and I did not want me or Christine having to paint this, so I got somebody to paint it. We came back from vacation and it was finished. So tomorrow I'm gonna be installing the bars, and we're gonna move from what will be the nursery. All our stuff is in that closet. We're gonna move all that stuff back in tomorrow, and then we pretty much will be totally moved back in. There's still that like last 2%. I've got to case this door here. We've got to put the base in this closet. This room, thankfully, other than the fan, this room is 100% done. I think I can say that confidently. 100% done. Bathroom, like I said, we've got a few little things left to take care of, but it's all pretty minor. So we are 98% of the way there. I'll probably do one more video when it's like all buttoned up, everything is clean, the paint's touched up and all that stuff, just kind of showing you. But this was a 6-month endeavor for us. We have been back in this bedroom for quite a while, so it wasn't as long. We had issues with getting our tub. We had some issues with the stone. The first time the stone was installed, we were not happy with the tub deck, and the company acknowledged that they made a mistake, and they were like, hey, we're going to make it 100% right. But that delayed us by about 2 weeks. The glass also took a while because we were getting it shipped in from somewhere and it missed its initial shipment. We went on vacation, so that kind of got delayed a little bit as well. But we are mostly there. We're very happy with the way that this came out. I really like these shower doors, and just the way the bathroom came out. We just really like it a lot. So hope you've enjoyed this video series. Like I said, there'll probably be one more just buttoning everything up in here, but for the most part, we are there, folks. We are there. Thanks for watching. As always, give me a huge thumbs up if you liked this. Also, if you know someone who's remodeling and wants some ideas and maybe think that they could learn from our video here, go ahead and share this video. That's the most helpful thing you can do. As always, thanks for supporting Break It Yourself, and we will see you next time.